Are all Earth foods this good?
Just wait for dessert.
You're about to unlock the #1 secret that no one shares. How to create the absolute best Seedance 2.5 videos you've ever made.
Unlock the power of Seedance.
And all you're gonna have to do is just provide a generic, basic description.
That's not landing again.
Watch me!
I'm gonna show you exactly how.
Unbelievable!
It's the exact way you're supposed to prompt for Seedance 2.5 videos. There is an actual prompt adherence protocol just for this model. A real dense 35-page guide. You can't say it's not perfect because it's based 100% off of this 35-page article. Master this and you'll master Seedance 2.5. But here's the thing, I didn't actually read this guide and you won't have to either. You're going to build it into a Claude skill, and this skill creates the perfect prompt.
But what's a Claude skill, bro?
A Claude skill is a set of instructions you can call up, so Claude writes to the perfect spec every time.
As the clock strikes 12, there goes the light. Tonight it's midnight and my diamond shine bright.
Now, most people think creating a Claude skill is way too technical. And don't get me wrong, it is. But here's the thing, it's not gonna be for you. Because for you, I'm showing you the tricks and secrets the pros rarely share. We're gonna make AI do it all for us. And if you like learning tricks like this, making difficult strategies extremely easy, then you'll definitely want to join my new Let's AI School community. Because this is where all the tricks, like the one I'm showing you today, live. And I add more and more to it almost every single day.
If you're not in the Let's AI School community yet, you're literally just guessing. AI videos, AI images, prompt secrets the pros keep to themselves, it's all in there.
Check the link in the description. And here's the cheat code. In order to get a prompt that looks like this was all I said. You first preface it by saying Seedance Skill. That automatically lets Claude know, let's get this rolling. We're gonna create the perfect prompt based off of this long Seedance 2.5 guide. All you have to do is present your idea. Now watch this. Let me show you this in real time. Then I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this. Here we go. Let's scroll down to the bottom and let's come up with something just off the top of our head together right now. How about something out of the ordinary, extra creative, and unique? A woman walks in New York City. It's midnight in Times Square. Bright lights and billboards surround her. Now let's add something unique. Together and having fun. Add dialogue, fun conversations. Right when I hit submit, look at the prompt we're about to get. Now, before we do, we have to put the most important part in the front. We're gonna say Seedance Skill, just like this. That way, we're letting Claude know the kind of prompt that we want. Because now, watch this. It understands anytime you see Seedance Skill in any of my prompts, look, it's crafting the perfect prompt. Literally, you can't say it's not perfect because it's based 100% off of this 35-page article. The exact specifications and prompt adherence strategies from Seedance themselves. And now look at this. Look what we're gonna get. Prompt, copy, paste, ready. You can see it is the exact format that we want. The opening paragraph. We get the timestamps. In each of the timestamps, we get the director's shot, the wide street level shot, the low angle, the medium shot, the close-up, tracking, 30 seconds, just like that. Watch this. We're gonna head over into one of my favorite apps. We're gonna be in Magnific, where we do have Seedance 2.5 available. We're gonna go to Video Generator. And now for the model, let's go ahead and select it. There it is, Seedance 2.5. Now, if you don't have a subscription to Magnific yet, I highly recommend it. There's a link in my description to get an additional 20% off when you do sign up. Okay, so here we are back in Magnific. Let's go ahead and paste this full prompt in. There it is. Let's go ahead and generate this.
Longest day ever. Oh, okay. Please don't probe me.
Relax. We come in peace, and also hungry.
Wait, you're actually kind of adorable.
We get that a lot.
Okay, new best friends. Pizza first.
Pizza. Excellent choice, Earth. This changes everything.
Wait till you try dumplings.
Are all Earth foods this good?
Just wait for dessert.
Best midnight ever. Same time tomorrow?
Now what I want to do is come back over here in the Claude. Let's make this a little bit easier. Now this is going to work in any chat. So watch this. If I go to a brand new chat, fresh, say this, Seedance Skill. Let's go even more basic. Okay, we're gonna go simple. Seedance Skill, a man and woman playing an intense game of pickleball on a rooftop in Miami, golden hour. Again, add dialogue. Now with the full prompt there, let's go ahead and hit this submit button. Now right away, there we have it. It's automatically coming up with the prompt. So here is the key question. How exactly did you train Claude to do this? Now, let me show you exactly how. But first, let's take a look at the prompt that we just got. Okay, and now here it is. Here is the full prompt right here. This one's gonna be 10 seconds. Come back over into Magnific. Let's now paste this one in. And since we do have a man and woman being referenced, we'll go ahead and add myself as the man, and we'll add in another influencer as the woman. And now let's generate that one.
That's not landing again.
Watch me!
Unbelievable!
But now let me show you exactly how to do this. I see a lot of people sharing these Claude skills. The difference is that a lot of people don't tell you how they do it, or they will tell you how to do it, but they'll provide the instructions in a more technical way than is necessary. But here's the thing, we have AI for a reason, so why not leverage it? Now, I'm not saying that you can't make it any better. Of course, when you become more advanced, maybe you do have a better way, but for the most part, Claude is using the exact guide, and here's exactly how. Again, this is all you have to do. Sometimes we make things a little bit too hard. Whenever you want to know how to do something and leverage the power of Claude, just ask. Here's where we started. How do you make a Claude skill the easiest way possible? Okay, instantly, it gives us the specific instruction. The bare minimum is generally just one file, a skill.md with a YAML front matter block and some markdown instructions underneath.
Wait, what?
I like how it follows up with that's it. No scripts or extra folders. Well, for some people saying that's it's overwhelming. What even does that mean? Again, no problem. Because even when you look at the next step where it says the whole thing looks like this, if you're a beginner, you're like, I don't have any idea what this is. No problem, because here's what we're gonna do. Follow the instructions. Again, because we said easiest way possible to get one made. Tell me what you want it to do and roughly when it should kick in. Hence, where I say Seedance Skill, that's when it knows it needs to kick in. I will write the script for you and I'll package it into a .skill file. You click save and install it. That's it. Then I give it the instructions. I want to create a skill based on this Seedance 2.5 prompt guide. Here's the link. Well, here's the thing. When you give it a link, it really couldn't read it because I tried one of two ways. Now, the first time I provided the link from the article itself. Now, if you want this full article, I'll include the link in the description, okay? So I took this full entire article right here. I then copied it and pasted it into a Google Doc, which is exactly what this link is at the very top. Well, again, it couldn't get access to the link even though it was public. So I said, fine, I'll download the PDF, which is in fact what I did from Google Docs. I just exported the PDF. Now I imported it into Claude. Look, here it is, the whole 35-page guide. Immediately, it's doing everything for me. Now, I already saved it, but what's gonna happen is you're gonna get this prompt just like this. You're gonna open it up. This is all you have to do. It gives you the full skill. This is everything right here. Now, what you would do, instead of where it says right here, update skill, before that, it says save, okay? So once you select save, it's now gonna transform to update skill. But here's the thing. At first, Claude was saying, every single time I mention Seedance, it's going to activate it. Well, what if I don't want it to? What if I want some advice on Seedance? I don't want it to just automatically start the prompting process. So what I said is it possible to only activate it when I say, quote, Seedance Skill, followed by my instruction? That way, when I want to use my existing frameworks, I can proceed as usual. But if I say Seedance Skill, I misspelled it, skill will be activated. Yes, basically, easy change. That's all you have to do. And then I selected Update Skill. And so I said, how exactly do we use it for clarification? So to use it, I can just open up a new chat and say the activation word and it will start. Look, yes, open a fresh chat and start your message with Seedance Skill, followed by whatever scene or instruction you want. And that's exactly what we've been doing. Then I just asked a clarity question because I didn't know if I saved it. It didn't have access to it, so I just went back up and I hit update skill again, which it already was, but that's all you have to do. If it says save skill, just make sure you hit save skill. Once you do, it will now say update skill. That's how you know it's been saved. And now moving forward, anytime you say Seedance Skill or give it any certain word that you want, I chose that specifically. You can just say in the instruction, you can actually type it down here in the message, change my activation word from Seedance Skill to Seedance XYZ, and then hit submit. And then after you submit it, then you're going to select update skill. That way, any changes you make will then be saved. And I have to tell you, every time I've used this method, the prompts and videos turn out incredibly well. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And remember, if you like tricks like these, make sure you join my Let's AI community. Links in the description, in addition for a discount to Magnific and the brief instructions I just went over today. And again, if you like this video, please remember, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time.
Subscribe to the mule. If it's the last thing you do.
So, are you excited for the conference?
Subscribe to the mule. I was made for the poor.